The woman is running. The woman is not running. This man has hair. This man does not have hair. The girl is drinking. The girl is not drinking. This man is wearing a hard hat. This man is not wearing a hard hat. This woman is wearing a white hat. This woman is wearing a black hat. The boy is wearing a white hat. The boy is wearing a black hat. This woman is not wearing a black hat. She is wearing a white hat. This woman is not wearing a white hat. She is wearing a black hat. The boy is not wearing a black hat. He is wearing a white hat. The boy is not wearing a white hat. He is wearing a black hat. This woman is not wearing a black hat. This woman is not wearing a white hat. The boy is not wearing a black hat. The boy is not wearing a white hat. This airplane is flying. This airplane is not flying. The boys are jumping. The boys are not jumping. This boy is not swimming. He is sitting in the airplane. This boy is not sitting in the airplane. He is swimming. This girl is not walking. She is riding the horse. This girl is not riding the horse. She is walking. This boy is not swimming. This boy is not sitting in the airplane. This girl is not walking. This girl is not riding the horse. The woman is using the phone. The girl is using the phone. The woman is pointing. The woman is not using the phone and she is not pointing. The woman is not using the phone. The woman is not pointing. The man is riding the bike. The man is not riding the bike.
تابعوا معنا باقي الحلقات التعليمية الرائعة، وما تنساش تشارك الفيديو وتقول لنا رأيك، واشترك معنا وفعل الجرس للحصول على أفضل دروس تعليمية بطريقة منظمة.